the radio revolution. Join us for our workshop this Tuesday, May 25th, sponsored by HomeSmart, where we're going to be talking about avatar marketing. What's your niche? Have you heard of hero brand style marketing? And have you taken a look into podcast hell? Build trust with a complete stranger. Did you know that 90% of people prefer video when doing their research? Be the go-to expert in your corner of the world.
Let me introduce you to Loom. This is called Director Mode. And from this view, I can take you on a tour through this wonderful house that can show you all the beautiful things that set it apart from all the other houses in the neighborhood.